My name is Don Siegel. I am Foundation Professor of Public Policy and Management in the School of Public Affairs at Arizona State University. I currently serve as Dean of the Academy of Management Fellows. Professor Miriam Erez of the Technion Israel Institute of Technology is our Vice Dean of the AOM Fellows. Miriam and I welcome you to the 2021 AOM Fellows Virtual Dinner. Each year, our organization elects a new group of AOM Fellows who are formally inducted at our dinner, which takes place during the AOM annual meetings. AOM Fellows are deemed to have made significant scholarly contributions to the field of management, broadly defined. Each year, our Committee on Membership, which consists of 9 AOM Fellows, evaluates nominees and selects a slate of candidates who are voted on by all AOM Fellows. Miriam and I would like to thank AOM Fellow Professor Anita McGann, a former president of the Academy of Management, for chairing that committee, and the other 8 AOM Fellows who served on this committee. This year, 14 outstanding scholars were elected as AOM Fellows, our largest group ever. The primary purpose of this event is to celebrate their achievements. You will be able to view a video of each new AOM Fellow, which was created by the AOM Fellow who nominated that person. Before we proceed with the celebration, we would like to express our deepest condolences to 3 esteemed AOM Fellows who passed away during the year. The first was Professor George Strauss of the University of California at Berkeley, a pioneer in the field of industrial relations, who passed away in December 2020. Professor Strauss served as editor of Industrial Relations, president of the Industrial Relations Research Association, and as director of the Institute for Research on Labor and Employment at the University of California at Berkeley. Professor Orlando Chuck Behling, who taught for many years at Bowling Green and Ohio State, also passed away in December of 2020. Professor Behling was a leading scholar of organizational behavior and leadership, and also served as editor of Academy of Management Review. Finally, we received word last month of the untimely passing of AOM Fellow Professor Tom Lee of the University of Washington. Tom was an eminent scholar of organizational behavior and human resource management, a former president of Academy of Management, a former editor of Academy of Management Journal, and a winner of numerous major scholarly awards. Tom's colleague, Professor Terry Mitchell, who is also an AOM Fellow, has created a moving video tribute to Tom that you can view on this website. There is another video by Deputy Dean Miriam Erez, who discusses some major accolades and awards that were bestowed on our august group of AOM Fellows during the past year. Finally, AOM Fellow Professor Ann Suey will discuss the AOM Fellows' support of the Responsible Research in Business and Management Research Awards in the field of management. This year, the AOM Fellows, for the first time, decided to officially sponsor these awards. Thanks for attending this event, and we look forward to seeing you next year in Seattle.